Hello, I am Dev from IDLES and I'm here to tell you about the wonderful work that Gig Buddies do. I've been aware of Gig Buddies for a number of years now due to my partner's auntie being a service user of theirs. If you're not aware of them, then what they do is they pair up an adult who has a learning disability with a volunteer who has similar interests, and then they go out, meet up once a month and go to whatever it is that they are both interested in. So gigs or the cinema, theatres, musicals, whatever it is, they just go out and have a lovely time together. It really is a wonderful service, and at the moment the Cardiff chapter has expanded to incorporate North Wales into its area. And they're now Gig Buddies Cymru, and they need a lot more volunteers and more funding, so this is why we're holding this online event. If you are interested in becoming a volunteer, then please go to gigbuddies.org.uk. It's not just Wales either, there are numerous chapters around the country, so if you are interested or you want to know more, then please go and have a look and get in touch. Thank you for your time, hope you're well. Bye.